Good day to see you, dear ladies and gentlemen. Today we will discuss about antisocial personality disorder. Main point in this lecture we will discuss is lack of empathy, little regard for other feeling, why the world is hostile and look out for themselves, don't usually think about consequences, prone to criminal behavior, tend to lie and steal. Antisocial personality disorder, sometimes called sociopathy, is a mental condition in which a person's sociopathy consistently shows no regard for right and wrong and ignore the right and feeling of other. People with antisocial personality disorder tend to antagonize, manipulate, or treat others harshly or with callous indifference. They show no guilt or remorse for their behavior. Individuals with, with anti-social personality disorder often violate the law, becoming criminal. They may lie, behave violently or impulsive, and have problem with drugs and alcohol use. Because of these characteristics, people with this disorder typically can't fulfill responsibilities related to families, work, or school. Now we are coming to discuss the causes of social personality disorder or antisocial personality disorder. Or personality is the combination of thought, emotion, and behavior that make everyone unique. It's the way people vibe, understand, and relate to the outside world, as well as how they see themselves. Personality formed during childhood, shape through age and interaction of inherited tendencies and environmental factor. The exact cause of antisocial personality disorder isn't known, but gene may make you vulnerable to developing antisocial personality disorder, and life situation may trigger its development. Changes in the way the brain function may have resulted during brain development. So now we will come the symptoms of antisocial personality disorder. So symptoms are antisocial personality disorder. Sign and symptom may include disregard for right and wrong, persistent lying or deceit to exploit other, being careless, cynical, and disrespectful of other, using charm or wit to manipulate other for personal gain or personal pleasure, arrogance or a sense of superiority, and being extremely opinionated, recurring problem with the law including criminal behavior, repeatedly violating the right of other through intimidation and dishonesty, impulsive or failure to plan ahead, hostility, significant irritability, agitation, aggression or violence, lack of empathy for other and lack of remorse about harming other, unnecessary risk taking or dangerous behavior with no regard for the safety of self or other, poor or abusive relationship, failure to the consider the negative consequence of behavior or learn from them, being consistently irresponsible and repeatedly failing to fulfill work of financial obligation. Adult with antisocial personality disorder typically shows symptom of conduct disorder before the age of 15. Sign and symptom of conduct disorder include serious persistent behavior problems such as aggression toward people and animal, destruction of property, deceitfulness, theft, serious violation of rules. Prevention of antisocial personality disorder. Are there is no sure way to prevent antisocial personality disorder from developing in those at risk, because antisocial behavior is thought to have its root in childhood. Parents, teacher, and pediatrician may be able to spot early warning sign. It may help to try to identify those most at risk, such as children who show sign of conduct disorder, and then upper early intervention, early effective and appropriate disciplines, listen in behavior modification, social and problem solving skill, Parent training, family therapy, and psychotherapy may help reduce the chance that at the risk children go on to become adult with antisocial personality disorder. Treatment of antisocial personality disorder are to antisocial personality disorder is difficult to treat. For some people, treatment and close follow up over the long term may be beneficial. Look for medical and mental health professional with experience in treating antisocial personality disorder. Treatment depends on each person, particularly situation, their willingness to participate in treatment, and the severity of symptoms. Psychotherapy treatment of antisocial personality disorder or psychotherapy, also called talk therapy, is sometimes used to treat antisocial personality disorder. Therapy may include, for example, anger and violence management, treatment for substance abuse, and treatment for other mental health conditions. But psychotherapy is not always effective, especially if symptoms are severe and the person can't admit that he or she contribute to serious problem. Medication are there are no medications, especially if ruled by the Food and Drug Administration to treat antisocial personality disorder. Doctor may prescribe medication for condition sometimes associated with antisocial personality disorders such as anxiety or depression, or for symptoms of aggression. Drugs and usually prescribed cautiously because some have the potential for misuse. Thank you, dear ladies and gentlemen. We do not show to you the drug because misuse of mental drugs are very common nowadays. So, doctor may prescribe drugs may prescribe for this disease by a specialist psychiatrist. So, sorry for that we do not show to you the drugs which is used in antisocial personality disorder.